Hey, Greg, good morning. This is Kevin at Sky Motor Cars doing a video for you. I just ran down to our mechanics where I had the car put up on the lift to get the photos. It was left outside, so it's a cold start. I just wanted to do a quick little walk around video of it. I'm gonna do the best I can, as quickly as I can, just because there's a lot kind of going on here. So you just jump in it real fast here. I'll fire it up. Sorry. As you can see, no lights besides my gas. I need gas. I'll run down and put some fuel in it. And let me run down here. No weird noises. I don't hear anything. No leaks, knocks, nothing weird. Sounds good. I don't really hear anything. I mean, they just changed the oil, so that's done. So far, I've kind of looked at everything. Everything works. The knee extension works. The forward and back on the seat is good. The seat's in good shape too. There's the seat. Seat pad on the bottom is very nice. The steering wheel's in good shape. It's not worn off. Same thing with the shifter. Got my coffee there. Back seats. Hang on. Good old BMWs. They always put the door lock up there. Back seats are in great shape. Door panel's in good shape. The only thing I've really noticed is that this rim's got some curb damage here. You can kind of see it. Kind of the theme I think with this car is just has some curb damage on the reels. Nothing that would cause an issue, but just it's cosmetic, pretty minor. Again, for 100,000 miles on it, there's a little dent here. It's pretty, I mean, it's about my top of my finger. It's pretty small. I can't really, I'm trying to get a photo. I'll see if I have a paintless dent guy. I wonder if he can knock that out pretty easily. I apologize, I'm doing this at our mechanic shop. I usually do it in our warehouse. But I know you wanted the cold start and I didn't want to move it. So our checkout, we did an oil change, tires, brakes are brand new in the back. They're 80%, they're 60% in the front. Oil change, that's about it. Books, manuals, everything's there. Brakes are really nice. The rotors look good. They're not all beat up or rusted or anything like that. And all the factory stickers are where they're supposed to be. I'm gonna try to do a quick little drive video just up and down the road. Let me get my seatbelt on here. And I apologize if I get a little shaky or anything. One hand, let's see. Of course, there's all kinds of traffic. I want to go through the gears so I can just show you that all that is good with no weird Noise, no, I'll go right here. There's 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. And I'm making a turn here. There we go. Good thing I'm on the back road. Alright, so I'm just going to turn this off. If you need me to do anything else, I'm more than happy to. I'm just going to get this thing, get some fuel in it, and then I'll reach out to you in just a little bit, and hopefully we can try to put this all together. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.